The most important art supply you can have is whatever you have with you. And I'm constantly on the move, so it's kind of an issue because it doesn't help me out if I'm at home, which is why I'm so excited for what's in here. This is from Art Toolkit. It is their folio. Let's see if I can even get it open here. Oh, it's satisfying. This is their folio. It looks like this. And it's kind of just a really fancy pencil case that comes in a bunch of different colors, but it's been a game changer for me. They also come in a bunch of different sizes and basically mean that I don't have to worry about carrying all of this. Just, you know, all of this, brushes, all of it in one thing. Watch this. There we go, all together. Still, the most important supplies are the ones that you'll have with you. But with this, I don't really have to choose. It makes a huge difference. Try it out. Find yourself a fancy pencil case.